Good morning to all the dignitaries watching my video. This is Meenal Mahato from Grizzly Vidyalaya. Today I am here to demonstrate this website prototype behalf of my team Grizzly Challenger. Through this site we are not just going to solve 1, 2 or 3 but many problems together which need national concern and a problem which is standing as a rock solid mountain for the development of India. Through this app, we are also going to record the changes, the impact brought by the citizen and the government so that we could know that what are the changes required to be made to make our nation a superpower, a super nation till 2047. So let's begin. So this is my login panel and I have already entered all the details. So here I have logged in successfully. Now there are two types of verification, mobile number verification and Aadhaar number verification. We have to do both to run this program properly. So let's begin. So mobile number verification has been done successfully. Now it's time for Aadhaar number verification. So this has also been done successfully. Now it's time to take you to the home tab. So this is my home tab. Now it's time for issue tab. So in this issue tab, people will enable to share their problem and other people will able to cast their vote. So through this app, it will help to reach the problem faced by the maximum population, the problem needed to solve immediately and which affect a very large number of people to the national authority so that it could resolve immediately. Now it's time for scheme section. Here in this scheme section, all the preferable schemes will be there so that people can get to know about their preferable scheme. Now it's time for social work tracker section. So in this section, all the changes, all the impact, all the work done by the citizen will be reported by them so that the other people could also get encouragement. Now this is yearly change tab. Here the government will share whatever things they have done, whatever changes they have created. You might have a question that why we need to do this. It is very important to know that why. Why the development of India is slow. Yeah, it is slow. It should be more faster to be a developed country. One of the largest economy till 2047. So, for proper analyzing that at what rate development is going on, what should be the required rate of the development, how should the development be ensured, and how the clear part of the development should be made, and how the dream of making India a powerful nation till 2047 be successful. Now this is yearly goals section. Here all the changes required by the India to be a super nation, a superpower nation will be shared by the government, and it will be make sure that this change is made within the year, within the same year for the year they share, so that a proper development we get till 2047, and it's very important to make every year an impactful year. Now this is